Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install free PDF editor PDNob on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Now I am going to download PDNob PDF editor. Open web browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. You can use any web browser. Go to Google. Type here in Google search bar, download PDNob. Let's click on it. Click on first link, PDNob PDF editor. Now the Tenorshare PDNob official website is open. Click on free download. Now the downloading is started. It is 2.1 megabit setup file. Downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Go to this PC. Click Downloads. Here it is our PDF editor setup file. Let's right-click on it. Click Open. Click Yes. Close Downloads. Click Install. Now the installation is started. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. The installation was successful. Close web browser. Open Tenorshare PDNob. PDNob as the default application to open PDF file. Click Yes. Click on Yes again. Now I am going to edit PDF file. Click File. Click Open. Click Document. Select Sample PDF. Click Open. Maximize this console. Increase view percentage. I am going to edit this. Click Edit All. Click Edit Text. I am going to add some text. Hello viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. After editing, click File. Click Save. Click on Hand tool. As you can see, our PDF file edit successfully. Using this PDF editor, you can also do edit text, add text, OCR, convert PDF file to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, convert to image, merge PDF, compress PDF, and many more. So viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.